Good morning students. As we have already discussed about the norm, today we discussed lemma. A metric D induced by norm on a non-linear space N satisfies first condition is translation invariance. D of x plus a comma y plus a is equal to D of x comma y for all x y a belongs to N. ट्रांसलेशन का मीनिंग आप लोगों को पता ही है. मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे ऑन अ रियल लाइन we can shift every real number with some number, then the result will be same. Means after shifting the points x and y with a, we get the same distance between the x and y. Proof is, since d is induced by the norm on n, so dxy is equal to norm x minus y. We have already discussed this definition. Now, d of x plus a comma y plus a is equal to, by definition of metric which we have discussed above, norm x plus a minus y plus a. This is equal to norm of x minus y because a is cancelled here, and this is equal to d of x comma y. So, this proves the translation invariance. Second property is d is homogeneous. That is, for all xy belongs to n and for all scalar alpha, d of alpha x comma alpha y is equal to norm alpha d of x comma y. Since d is induced by norm on n, so by definition d of x comma y is equal to norm of x minus y. Now d of alpha x comma alpha y is equal to norm, by definition of norm of alpha x minus alpha y, and this is equal to norm. Now taking alpha common, alpha x minus y, and now using the definition of norm, we get norm alpha norm x minus y. Here we use the property of norm. This is equal to norm, and norm x minus y, this is equal to, from here norm x minus y is equal to d of x comma y. This proves the homogeneity of metric. Third is d of x comma y is equal to d of x minus y comma 0. Since d is induced by the norm on n, so dx comma y is equal to norm of x minus y. Now d of x comma y is equal to norm of x minus y. This can be written as norm x minus y minus 0, and this can be written as d of x minus y comma 0. Okay, is it clear? For d of alpha x comma 0 is equal to mod alpha dx 0. To prove this result, now we follow. Since d is induced by norm on n, so d of x comma y is equal to norm x minus y, and d of alpha x comma 0, this is equal to norm alpha x minus 0 by this definition, and this is equal to norm of alpha x, and by definition of norm we get mod alpha norm x, and norm x can be written as norm x minus 0, and norm x minus 0 by definition of metric induced by norm, we get mod alpha d of x comma 0. Second lemma, if x and y are two elements of a normed linear space n, then mod of norm x minus norm y is less than equal to norm of x minus y. Now norm x can be written as norm x minus y plus y. Now taking x minus y as first and y as second. Now using the property norm of a plus b is less than equal to norm a plus norm b, we get this is less than equal to norm x minus y plus norm y. Now this implies norm x minus norm y is less than equal to norm x minus y. Are you getting it? Now here we shift norm y left hand side. Now interchanging the role of x and y, x और y के रोल को interchange कर दो, then we get norm y minus norm x is less than equal to norm y minus x. Then taking minus sign common, we get norm of minus of x minus y, and by using the property of norm, this is a scalar quantity, so this can be written as mod of minus 1 norm x minus y, and mod of minus 1 is 1, so we get this is equal to norm of x minus y. Now this implies minus of norm x minus norm y is less than equal to norm x minus y. Now this is the second equation. Now combining the equation 1 and 2, we get mode. Mode of norm x minus norm y is less than equal to norm x minus y. Next definition is convergent sequence. Let X be a non-linear space. A sequence Xn is said to be convergent to a point x nor belonging to X if for given epsilon greater than 0 there exists a positive integer n such that norm Xn minus x nor is less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to n. This definition is same as we have already discussed in real line. In real line we use mode here. Mode Xn minus x nor is less than epsilon for all n for all n greater than equal to n. Now here we are talking in norm linear space. For norm linear space we are using norm because these norm linear space के जो elements हैं उनको हम vector से represent करते हैं और for vector elements we use norm in place of mode. Otherwise definition is same as we have already learned in lower classes. Second definition is Cauchy sequence. In a non-linear space X, a sequence Xn is said to be Cauchy sequence if for given epsilon greater than 0, there exists a positive integer n such that norm Xn minus Xm less than epsilon for all nm greater than equal to n. This definition of Cauchy sequence is also same as in real line. There we use mode. Mode Xn minus Xm less than epsilon in place of norm. Same reason is here. Okay students.